Hey guys, what's up? It's Bree. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a wig on Myfirstwig. This is the unit that they sent over and it looks beautiful. I did go ahead and mold it down a little bit with some mousse and let it dry on the mannequin head. Y'all, when I tell you this unit is so snug on my head, I just want y'all to see. Oh, look at this snug, how snug it is on my head. Look at this lace. Like, look, this is not even glued down, y'all. This is one of their new laces. This lace is called, y'all, this unit is from Myfirstwig and they sent over their new 3D fitted wig. This is designed for you to wear this glueless. Look how it fits on the hairline, y'all. Without even putting glue on it. It does not shed, it does not tangle. It's pre-plucked, pre-bleached. Y'all know how I feel about Myfirstwig. It's one of my favorite companies because the lace be looking so well, so good. Y'all know I wear my little bob units. That's where I get my units from. It's Myfirstwig. I just want to make sure I talk about all of the things about this unit. This is a Yaki texture 20-inch long parting, y'all. So if you want to do a side part, the part is super long. I love that. So you can definitely do a middle part. When you get this unit, it does come in a middle part. Like I said, I did not bleach this unit, I did not dye this unit, I didn't do anything, y'all. I didn't pluck it. It's literally out of the pack. All I did was add a little mousse. I always add a little mousse and mold the hair back just so the hair can be laid flat and I can really see what's going on. This is the type of unit that you can wear straight out the pack. You don't have to glue it down, but I feel like I can't wear it like this. You can't because it flaps down, but just look how fitted the lace is. Look how fitted it is. So I'm just going to adjust it a little bit. Cut the ear tabs a little bit because the ear tabs are kind of long. Just a little long. Let me see. Well, not this one. This one lays pretty flat. That lays pretty flat. You want to make sure that your ears... this lays pretty flat behind the ear and it's nice and snug. Only thing you will have to probably spray down a little bit is the ear tabs. That's it. You don't have to spray the rest of the unit down. I would just spray the ear tabs down and call it a day. But this unit is a little too big for me around the hairline. So I'm going to go ahead and cut a little bit of the lace on this side, just so it don't flap under my ear. And then we'll see how flat it lays. Okay, so I just cut this little piece. That's all I cut. So now let me see if it lays flat behind the ear. Oh, that lays flawless behind the ear. Now let me make sure this side. See, now I definitely don't need to glue it down if I don't want to because it lays so good behind the ear. So I'm going to do it on this side as well. I think I'm going to cut just a little bit off, not much, just a little bit. Y'all, just look at the hairline. Look at the hairline. So I'm just going to glue this down a little bit. But I do want to let you guys know that you don't have to glue it down. Oh my gosh, my bones be so cracky. You don't have to glue it down. This is a glueless wig. But when they say glueless, I still highly recommend that you spray a little spray on the ear tabs. Just so, you know, you don't have to worry about it coming off. So you could just spray like a little spray right here and call it a day. So I'm gonna go ahead and just glue it down a little bit and then we'll be back to style this unit. But I just want y'all to take a look at the way this hair looks. This looks so good. And when you tighten the strap on the back, it makes it even more snug. Okay guys, so I did put my little spray, a little glue. Now it's time to put our baby on so it can lay flawless on the hairline. One thing about my first wig, baby, you're gonna get that flawless look. I promise you, you're not gonna regret getting your unit from them. It's so worth it. And I was looking at Myfirstwig prices for their units. I honestly thought they were more expensive because of the quality of their units, girl. That's why I always work with them, because baby, when I tell you, everybody I have recommended their units to, they like, Bree, it is so good. Like, I can't make this up. Y'all see what I'm doing. Like, I can't make this lace up, okay? Look at the lace. They said, oh, Bree, your hair be so flawless. Girl, you gotta get the right company, baby. I mean, I can finesse any unit because I know how to do my hair, but at the end of the day, when it comes to Myfirstwig, baby, let me tell you something. I know my hair finna look flawless. I know it. Okay guys, so our unit is on. I want you guys to take a look at the hairline on this unit. Everything looks so flawless, right? You don't even need baby hair or anything like that. This is a straight unit, so you can style it in any way that you want. I really don't know how I want to style it yet. It just looks so beautiful as like a toss over. Oh my gosh, I love wearing my hair as if it was mine. I love wearing my units as if it was my hair. Like, this is so pretty. Look at the highlights on it. It's just like, I love this textured look. I can definitely hot comb it and flat iron it and press it out, but I just really love this textured look. This is Yaki. This is my favorite texture of hair. You guys know I love me a pushback moment, but this is just so pretty, y'all. Look. And if you wanted to wear a side part, you can definitely wear the side part. Look how long this unit is. Look at the part. It's all the way back. The lace stopped all the way back here. That is so amazing. Because now you know your hair is going to be super flat when your lace go all the way back there. So this is a real full 13x6. It's not like a fake 13x6. Like, it's literally in the back of my head. Look at that. You can wear it in any kind of way that you want. You could put some curls in it. I just really love this like toss over look. It just looks so pretty. Look at that. Like, I don't even want to curl it. I don't want to do nothing to it. I kind of just want to leave it in its natural state. It looks like my real hair, right? It looks like my real hair. Alright, you guys, so you know what? I'm not even going to flat iron this hair. I'm just going to leave it as is because I really love the texture on it. And it looks super, super natural. Like, it looks so natural. And I would even cut layers in it, but I'm not going to do it today. But here is the finished look. Make sure you guys check out Myfirstwig. They have some amazing units, you guys. The fit of their new 3D units are so snug. They look flawless on the hairline. Everything looks so good. So make sure you guys check them out. Girl, you can't tell me this is not my real hair. Check them out. Talk to you guys later.